Hello everyone, this is Farheen Hina and you are watching my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to tell you how you can open Word file and what are the features, basic features of the Word file, and how we can type in it, how we can save the document, and how we can review the saved document. So let's start our video. So you can see that this is my desktop screen. On the left side at the corner there is a start button. When you're going to click on that button, it's written over here search programs and files. Just bring the cursor over there and click and write over there Word and then press enter. So like this the Word file will open in front of you. Now slowly I will explain all the parts first of the Word and then we are going to work on it. First of all, this is the home tab and this is the quick access toolbar, and where this document Microsoft Word is written, this is the title bar. For example, if we are going to type something or we are going to save that file, the name of that file will come over here. Dialog box launcher is this. From here you can do the page alignment. You can see over here. This is the minimize option. If we want to open maybe Google, so we can just minimize it like this, and when we are going to click on this word icon, it will open again. And from here you can make the page small and then you can bring it to the full screen. This X is for close button. When we have finished our work, we can close the file and it will ask us that whether we want to save that file or not. Then this is called the vertical scroll bar, and this is the zoom control. From here you can zoom the page as much as you want. Okay, and this where page 1 of 1 is written, this is the status bar, and this area is the document window where we are going to type something. And let's move forward to the tabs. Total you can see that there are 7 tabs, and in each tab there are things which can help us out. First is the home tab, in which it is clipboard, font, paragraph, styles, editing. In the insert tab you can see that there is pages, tables, links, header, footer, and here are the shapes, and you can insert picture from here. Equations, symbols. Then in the next tab, that is page layout, we can see themes are there, page setup, page background, paragraph setting is there, and arrange. In the reference tab, table of contents, footnotes, bibliography, captions, index. In the mailing, create, start mail, merge, write and insert fields, preview results. In the View tab, proofing, comments, tracking, changes, compare. And in the View tab, you can see document views, how the document looks like. We can view in that. Show, hide, zoom, windows. So I hope that this is clear up till now, how much I have just now informed you all. So for example, now we are going to start typing. So if we want to type heading, and that we want the heading to be in capital letters, so from the keyboard we are going to open caps lock and we can type any topic we want. For example, if I type myself, now you can see that the font size is very small and it is not visible too much. So first of all we are going to press the caps lock to make it off. Then with the help of a cursor, we are going to put the cursor over here and drag it towards like this. And then you can see this in the home tab. In found there is B. This is called for bold. See, now it's visible. Yes. If I want to change the font size, it is 11 now. If I want to make it 14 or 16 or maybe 18, I can do that. Then I want this my cell to be in the center. So you all can see this paragraph tab is there over here. Just click center, or you can type Control E to make your text come in the center. So now see, it's looking nice. And if I want the font size to be more bigger, then again I'm going to select this and I will go to the font size and I make it as much bigger as I want, like this. So I hope the heading part was clear. Now how you can go down to start a line. So for this, you just need enter. Your cursor will come in the center. Then with the help of backspace, it will go behind. Then you can write. If you want to make only one letter capital, what you are going to do, you will press shift button and press that word which you want to make it capital. For example, M. Then my space bar is there, a big button, name, Name is. So whatever your name is, you all can type over here. I am just putting my own name. First letter should be capital. I will press shift and then F. Then all the letters small. My name is Farheen. Again shift and press the letter which you want to be capital. My name is Farheen Hina, full stop. Then give space and then you are going to start this other sentence. For example, I, press shift and then press I. Space am. What so further you want to write, you all can write. Okay. So now how you can save this? There are two options for saving this. First is this, you can save it from here. This type of option will come in front of you. Otherwise not like this, then you can simply press Ctrl S. After pressing Ctrl S, see the same option has appeared in front of us. So the topic is myself. I want to save it like this, where it has been saved in the document. So just press save. Now the document save. How we can check our document is saved? We are going to close this Word file and then we are going to go to the folder where documents is written and see, this is the page which we just now typed. So I hope viewers that you have understood about how you can open Word and what are the features of Word, how you can type in it, and how you can save the file, and the save file, how you can open that file. So I hope that this video was useful for you all. Do let me know in the comment section if you all want any sort of new video